Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily NVIDIA report for Thursday, November 20th, 2025. Before I jump into NVIDIA analysis, just want to mention that Wicked Stocks on Wednesday put out a stock pick on Novo Nordisk. You might want to check out that pharmaceutical company by going to wickedstocks.com and taking advantage of our 5-day free trial. We'll be putting out another stock pick today, Thursday. Let's move on to the charts. So I'm going to jump right to this chart. You know, late Wednesday, we rallied back, closed right in that 185.65, 186.39 area, actually just above it. I can go to the daily chart here and show just above it a neutralizing of the sell signal that occurred the day before. And in fact, you know, the earnings that came out are showing better results than anticipated. You know, from what I know, I haven't looked in about 15 minutes, but we were trading in the lower 190s at that time. Assuming we open today above 187.61, we should see, I'm going to just point to this chart, 196.22 within the day is quite easily in reach. You know, there is the possibility with a high volatility pop to the upside, 200.79, but I would need to see us push through 196.22 for that to be a clear objective on an intraday basis. I think realistically, if we open above 187.61, 196.22 in reach today, if we close today above 187.61, well, we satisfy the momentum reversal, the rejection of a significant sell signal that had for about 24 hours been anticipating 157.71. As I mentioned before, when the market rejects a pretty clear textbook sell signal, it is a sign of strength. The rejection of a long-term sell signal or a 3 to 5 week sell signal, 2 to 3 week sell signal is in itself a valid buy signal on the opposite side of the market. And so really what we're looking for is this 216.97 over the next 2 to 3 weeks we see as a reality. And obviously along the way, we do have our hurdles. Once again, 196.22 today. This assumes an open today above 187.61, 200.79 by the end of next week. Certainly able to contain daily buying pressures. We may bump this up to a 3-star resistance and might actually be able to contain weekly highs at the time. But overall, the rejection of the sell signal back above this 186.39, 185.65 area does indicate a 216.97 over the next, let's just go with 3 to 5 weeks. By the end of December, we should see ourselves in the mid 210s where we can top out on. Well, that then will correlate pretty nicely with these long-term wave counts, A, B, C. This could be a significant high. You know, this, if we reach this objective at 216.97, it will have this channel top converge with the 219.64 level by that point in time. And this area well suited to contain quarterly buying pressures, 219.64 to 228.94. So we do now consider this to be a realistic 3 to 5 week target, provided we continue closing above the 186.39 level, 185.65 on the weekly chart.
If you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the Triple Q, and NVIDIA, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity. Try it all free for 5 days. Cancel at any time.
So let's jump to the downside here. What if we actually open below, not only below 187.61, but even back below 185.65? The market then can show weakness right out of the gates. Where can we go from there? I'm going to jump back to these charts. Today, 176.76, not likely, especially given the bullish results. I think it would take, you know, a lot of selling back and forth. I don't see a real heavy sell-off today to 176.76. Even if we do open back below 185.65 today, I just think there's bottom pickers in the market right now based on the fundamentals. The question is whether they will have enough strength to push this market into the buy column by the end of the day. In other words, can we close today above 187.61. That's worth mentioning because we didn't close above this short-term channel top on Wednesday. If we can close Thursday above 187.61, then everything I said about 1 to 2 week target at 200.79 and 216.97 over the next 3 to 5 weeks is true. But if we have trouble sustaining a rally today and we fall back to close below this, 185.65 level, which is this same exact formation, but on the weekly chart, we're back on the defensive. And certainly closing tomorrow, the week itself, below 185.65 would be a sell signal into December trade. The next 2 to 3 weeks, 3 to 5 at the most, 157.71 likely. On the way down, we have minor support at 176.76. We have this pullback low at 164.07. But the image I think that is worth watching or looking at is a settlement tomorrow, the Friday itself, below 185.65, 157.71 in reach within 3 to 5 weeks. And yes, if we close today, Thursday, below 185.65, after this bullish earnings, that tells you something. When the market shows weakness in the face of what is considered a bullish fundamental report, well, that is a sign of weakness in itself. So let's just go right back to the technicals. If we can close Friday above 185.65, that rejects the sell signal down to 157.71, 219.64 in reach then by the end of the year. On the other hand, if we close below 185.65, we're looking for the upper 150s within 3 to 5 weeks. I think it's about as simple as that. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. I will be back tomorrow, of course, with Friday's NVIDIA report. You have a great day.